Hi, I'm Anupama Saini and welcome to my LifePage. Today I'll be talking about librarianship. But before that, let me tell you something about myself. I shifted to Delhi in 2010 to pursue BCom Honours from Delhi University. As soon as I finished BCom Honours, I was selected as an assurance associate at Ernst & Young, where I worked for almost a year. I did my BLISC and MLISC from Delhi University, and I have been awarded gold medals in both the courses. As soon as I finished my MLISC from Delhi University, I was selected to serve as an assistant librarian at the Judges Library at the Delhi High Court. I quit from there in 2018 and I got selected at the British Council to serve as Senior Manager Library. At present, I am heading the British Council Library at Delhi. The primary nature of work of a librarian is to answer people's questions. Now, it is the responsibility of a librarian to basically collect information, classify it, store it, retrieve it whenever people need it, and basically work as the Google of people. So people will come to you with different information needs according to the library in which you're working, and you have to answer their queries, you have to direct them to the right information resources, and you have to give them the most accurate and authentic information. Information and Communication Technology, that is ICT. In today's digital age, it is very important that a librarian knows about computer hardware, computer software, cloud technology, different digital mediums in which information sources come, like e-books, e-magazines, e-journals, different databases, different types of search engines, so that the information can be provided to the library users in any means in which the user wants the information. Love and respect for books. As a librarian, you work in a library that is full of books and other information sources. But if you're unable to respect and love books around you, I'm not sure how you'll be able to guide people to the right resources and right books. A librarian who loves books is able to inculcate reading habit in early learners like children who come to the library. If you are not working in a children's library, even then you can inculcate reading habits in adults, which is very important for their personal development and growth. The first being job satisfaction. As a librarian, you get an opportunity to work with a diverse kind of community. And then you get to change their lives. By being a librarian, you give them a conducive environment in which they can study and learn. They don't only learn from books, but they also learn from the environment in which they're in. There are various resources in the library which can help them, right from the books and digital resources to even 3D printers and VRs. The kind of job satisfaction that you get when you see a person growing in front of you, or when you see them succeed in their lives because of the resources that the library has given them, is something which cannot be measured in monetary terms. Social stereotypes that are attached to the profession of a librarian. People expect a librarian to wear spectacles, have a bun, wear a sari, and be very kharoos while sitting in a library. You will have to face all these stereotypes if you want to become a librarian. The moment you tell somebody that you are a librarian, people look at you as if it is a very boring job. I usually come to office by 10 a.m. I start my day by taking a round of the library. You have to make sure that you take random visits across the entire library floor. It is important that you cover the entire floor area of the library to make sure that the infrastructure is working properly. The books are shelved properly, they are at the right place, and people can find them. It is important that you see how your customer executives are dealing with library patrons. Are their information needs being satisfied? Does your staff understand what are the queries of a library user? How are the display units? Are they innovative and engaging? You have to make sure that when you visit the library early in the morning, everything is in place before the patrons start coming in. I hope I have given you a balanced overview about librarianship. Thank you.